So universities and so on, they can bring their own doctoral students to have projects here and to look at the hydrology of the reservoir, the design of the reservoir, and so on. There are so many, actually, PhD theses can be based on that reservoir. The reservoir has a potential not only for research, but for educational material, and also really is very important for the locals here to know that they are having a very good water quality for drinking and for their health. That reservoir is one of the reservoirs that I was really happy to see, because I can see from the color of the water that reservoir is very healthy.
One more.
Thank you. Thank you. Stay still.
And how many do you work here on that reservoir? How many staff members?
Staff members only 3 members.
Three. For the whole reservoir.
Day by day they are retiring.
Yeah. 3 only, that's, yeah.
Main dam దగ్గర 3 అంటారా?
And do you look after everything?
Security staff అంతా ఉంటారు.
And the 3 of you, you manage the reservoir and the...
ఒక ICID assistant. Only 3.
That's quite a many.
No, this is really an issue. We build infrastructure, but we won't take care of the annual maintenance. So these things are not really that much focused. Largely we tell that when many meetings also at voluntary. Asset management plans are very minimal. Okay, we build infrastructure. The management plans for the assets is not given that much importance. So that is fundamental. If you have the good asset management, you will have everything. Whatever Professor is telling, all that will come under that. Okay, regular.
Not at a adequate, sir. Minimum at least. No requirement.
Yes, 3 staff members for a huge reservoir is not that enough, given that you have to also to measure the level of water and to keep eye on the maintenance and so on. I think 3 staff members is really minimum. That you need more. You need more really staff support, I think. But also, if really they agree to have automatic station here for the water level and for water quality, you need to have here an office here where you can get the data direct to your computer, and someone would look at the data in real time and to pick up anything that's strange. For example, if you find suddenly a big increase in nitrate, so that's you will have to know why suddenly you got big increase. Something happened somewhere, that some farmer added too much nitrate somewhere, and so on. That gives you an idea really about the behavior also of the people around the reservoir. So it's you should have office here, and you should have really automatic recording station, and to monitor the data from the office. And you need to have a proper really structure here, and a good number of people, because that reservoir is not trivial. It's not something small. It's really quite big for three people, and the country has got 1.3 billion.
No, we have no problem. Population wise, China we have crossed.
The country has 1.3 billion.
Politicians are not interested in maintenance because they are not getting any mileage out of that.
Yeah.
If there is any new construction, then the politicians will get the advantage out of that. They can project risk.
Yeah. And I think we need to do that before the election. We need to put pressure on the politician before the election for the water level and for the water quality. It's very important, especially because the reservoir is used for drinking water, and the water quality is very important because you have that thing. And I think really that something.
Coconut.
Thank you very much. That's my favorite. Thank you. But
Cocktails is there, sir.
I think really that's what you need for important reservoir as such. So some they get a green cup
He's actually privileged.
Natural
We are going towards eco-friendly system.
Eco-friendly.
Falls
But-
here to have that, you know.
But how many paddy fields here you irrigate? What's the area?
Yeah, 15,000.
15,000 hectares.
Yes. Acres.
Acres. And that's you irrigate them for irrigation.
For irrigation.
For irrigation.
For irrigation.
15,000 acres.
15,000.
Means 6,000 hectares.
And all of them are paddy rice.
Yes.
Paddy.
Yes.
Paddy season, paddy.
Some of the commercial crop, sugarcane and banana is there.
Okay. Can I ask you something else? Did you think about dry rice?
Dry rice.
Dry rice. No, sir. This region is fully addicted to paddy only. But paddy.
There is another crop.
Another crop, only single. No
You
rabi.
say direct sowing. ఏమన్నా చేస్తారా?
No, not complete ponding కాకుండా సో రొటేషనల్ ఇరిగేషన్ ఓకే ఆల్టర్నేట్ వెట్టింగ్ డ్రైయింగ్ ఓకే అలా చేస్తే మీకు తక్కువ నీళ్ళతో పండుతుంది
అవును సార్.
అలాంటి ప్రాక్టీసెస్ ఓకే
Direct flooding.
There is the Indian company for drip irrigation, Jane.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Jain.
Jane. And they are Dr. Soma presented some work from India where the Jane company, they used drip irrigation to irrigate rice. And they actually saved about 50% of the water, and they got about 30% extra in the yield. And I wonder whether something you can think about to move from paddy rice, where you are using a lot of water, and you could use the system of drip irrigation and to produce more rice with less water. The other thing, if you are having a paddy rice here, my son is a medical doctor, and he says that you have a problem with mosquito with paddy rice. Do you have? Because that can,
Problem will be there.
Yes, sir.
Mosquitoes are there, okay? we cannot live without mosquitoes. we have a lot of mosquitoes, many places.
so they get a malaria.
Malaria.
So if one of the benefit in this case, if you move from paddy rice to drip irrigation or dry rice, then you will get rid of the mosquito and the malaria. So medically it could be also not only a water saving, but also life saving.
Yeah, actually direct sowing is there. Some districts and some identified areas, the recommendations are there. They are doing direct sowing. So, but not here. I think.
Right,
So actually there are some mechanization that we management things are there. So depending upon the soils and all, intercultivation, those things, the soil condition. So there are direct sowing farmers are practicing.
Yeah. But also given your experience, and you are the best one to tell us, do we need a certain variety for the dry rice cultivation different from the paddy rice?
Yeah, actually that
She's a
research.
specialist in plant breeding, and she will tell us. We're all learning from her.
And that research is not not in very advanced stage, but some varieties are there in the progress. We have not bred varieties for the direct sowing, but whatever the varieties are available, we have screened and we identified some of the varieties suitable for dry direct sowing. And now the varieties specifically we are breeding, and they are about to come in 1 or 2 years.
Okay.
And
So,
that is
so now we have the source. Get in touch with her.
yeah, in Orissa actually there are
right sowing.
direct
In
sowing.
Srivakam also.
Yeah,
In
Srivakam.
Odisha project, some of the areas,
Some of the
they are
areas.
adapted to direct sowing.
That's what.
In Odisha
Due to lack
project,
of labor.
most of the lands are go to the direct sowing.
Here
Directly
maybe
seeds are spreading.
the rainfall, average rainfall and
It is 1026.
here comparatively
Is more.
higher rainfall. So that's why they
Sufficient.
We will promote ecotourism. Okay, he said the ecotourism and to connect people with the water. So based on that ground, so we can ask Hambat Rambab Garu. మీరు స్పీచ్లో చెప్పారు సార్ ఎకోటూరిజం. సో అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మన ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు వచ్చి చూశారు, ఒక రిపోర్ట్ చేసేసి మీరు విజిట్ను పెట్టేసి మీ ఫోటోలు పట్టుకెళ్ళి మీ సీ ద్వారా కలవండి. ఓకే సార్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ డిస్కస్డ్ అని స్పెషల్గా. ఓకే, నేను సుగుణాకర్ గారు కూడా చెప్తాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. ఓకే, వన్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ కమింగ్ అండ్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్, యూ రికార్డ్ ఇట్ and put on paper and some like a statement what you need through your chief engineer, meet engineering chief, meet the minister, and also we can meet the chief minister to get special attention. Not only this project, like because many such projects are there which Ragab are not seeing, and our approach should be like this. This is what we have to do. Thank you for your appreciation. You see, a lot of scope is there. Europe like వెళ్తే మీకు దీనికి మీకు మ్యాథ్స్ మీరందరూ కూడా చాలా హై ఫైలో చూస్తారు. మనం ఎంత పెట్టుకొని ఏమో లేని అట్లా ఉంటున్నాం కదా, అది దట్స్ వై అని చెప్పేది. మనం వీ షుడ్ ఫీల్ ప్రౌడ్. ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ ఫీల్ ప్రౌడ్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ సచ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ లొకేషన్, వాటర్. Let us reach properly people and let you get respect by involving the locals connecting to water. That only happens. Unless you put effort, you won't get. You have to connect them. Bring the children, bring the school, college children, college principal చెప్పండి, తీసుకురండి. అట్లా ప్రమోషన్ కూడా చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఇందులో if anything is required from our side, from my side, I will try to do something. Because we have such well wishers across the globe, they will guide us. Okay.
It's really amazing that only 3 members
Yeah.
maintaining that huge reservoir to make it at that best quality and best looking reservoir with only 3 people. That you should be proud of that.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. We go there?
Go there.
We will promote ecotourism. Okay, he said the ecotourism and to connect people with the water. So based on that ground, so we can ask Hambat Rambab garu. మీరు స్పీచ్ లో చెప్పారు సార్ ఎకోటూరిజం. సో అవర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఇంత బ్యూటిఫుల్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మన ప్రెసిడెంట్ గారు వచ్చి చూశారు. ఒక రిపోర్ట్ చేసేసి మీరు విజిట్ ను పెట్టేసి మీ ఫోటోలు పట్టుకెళ్ళి మీ సీ ద్వారా కలవండి. ఓకే సార్, దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ డిస్కస్డ్ అని స్పెషల్గా. ఓకే, నేను సుగుణాకర్ గారు కూడా చెప్తాను. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్. ఓకే, వన్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్ కమింగ్ అండ్ టెల్లింగ్ అబౌట్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్, యూ రికార్డ్ ఇట్ and put on paper and some like a statement what you need through your chief engineer, meet engineering chief, meet the minister, and also we can meet the chief minister to get special attention. Not only this project, like because many such projects are there which Ragab are not seeing, and our approach should be like this. This is what we have to do. Thank you for your appreciation. You see, a lot of scope is there. Europe like వెళ్తే మీకు దీనికి మీకు మ్యాథ్స్ మీరందరూ కూడా చాలా హై ఫైలో చూస్తారు. మనం ఎంత పెట్టుకొని ఏమో లేని అట్లా ఉంటున్నాం కదా, అది దట్స్ వై అని చెప్పేది. మనం వీ షుడ్ ఫీల్ ప్రౌడ్. ఫస్ట్ యూ షుడ్ ఫీల్ ప్రౌడ్ దట్ వీ హ్యావ్ సచ్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్, బ్యూటిఫుల్ లొకేషన్, వాటర్. Let us reach properly people and let you get respect by involving the locals connecting to water. That only happens. Unless you put effort, you won't get. You have to connect them. Bring the children, bring the school, college children, college principal చెప్పండి, తీసుకురండి. అట్లా ప్రమోషన్ కూడా చేయాలి మనం. ఓకే, సో మీకు ఇందులో if anything is required from our side, from my side, I will try to do something. Because we have such well wishers across the globe, they will guide us. Okay.
It's really amazing that only 3 members maintaining that huge reservoir to make it at that best quality and best looking reservoir with only 3 people. That you should be proud of that.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. We go there?
Go there.